Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to explore the intriguing world of data collection and inventory tracking. We'll answer a question that's been on everyone's mind: barcodes or RFID tags? Which one is the better choice? Stick around as we delve into the benefits of each, revealing why we at UpKeep have a preference for one. We'll also introduce you to UpKeep's computerized maintenance management system and show you how to implement it to enhance your inventory management. Now let's dive into the world of data collection and inventory tracking. There's a big question on everyone's mind. Which is better, barcodes or RFID tags? Both have their advantages, but let's break it down. RFID tags are known for their longevity and sturdiness. They can withstand the test of time, but they come with a catch. Setting up RFID tags can be a complex process. On the other hand, barcodes are quick and simple. They're easy to get started with and can be scanned from any mobile device. Here at UpKeep, we have a soft spot for barcodes. Why? Because they fit perfectly into UpKeep's computerized maintenance management system. This system allows anyone to create a barcode from the application, print it out, and start tracking inventory. It's as simple as that. One of the best features of barcodes is their immediate usability. Got a mobile device with scanning capabilities? Then you're good to go. Modern smartphones can now use their camera to scan barcodes and pull up the product's information. It's a quick and efficient way to manage your assets and inventory. So, are you ready to start using barcodes within UpKeep? Then let's get started. Use our mobile application to start scanning your assets and inventory. It's time to take your data collection and inventory tracking to the next level. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the benefits of using barcodes over RFID tags and introduced you to UpKeep's computerized maintenance management system for efficient inventory management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about us and our services, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you elevate your data collection and inventory tracking efforts.